Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to merge table in Excel from different sheet. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a two sheet, data 1 and data 2. Here I'm going to merge the both sheet, okay? So for that, data 1, just select the data and convert this data into table first. Press the Control T, convert this data into table and here you can see the small dialog box create table. Click on OK and your data is converted into table. Go to the table design in properties group. Click on the table name. So I enter here table 8. Okay. And same for this data 2. Select the cell. Use the Control T, convert the data into table. Click on the OK to convert this data into table. Same as go to the table design in properties group. Enter here the table name, table P. Okay. That's it. Okay. After that, go to the table 1, go to the data tab. In get and transform data, click on the get data, click on the from other sources, then click on the from table or range. And you can see your Power Query editor for table A is open. Now here select the table A and then go to the home tab. In combined group, click on the append queries. Click on the first option append queries. And here the one dialog box is open append. Concatenate rows from the two tables into the single table. Okay. So the first option, two tables. If you have two tables, you can select here the first option. If you have more than two tables, three or more tables, you can select the second option. Then table to append, just click on this drop down arrow. This is the current table. Select here the second table to merge it. Okay. And click on OK. And that's it. The table A and table B is merged here. Okay. Just go to the home tab and click on the close and load data. And here you can see in table A, the both data is merged. Okay. So this is the way you can merge table data from different sheet in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.